Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel Mukesh Tech. So in my previous video I have explained what is a recursion, what is the definition of recursion function and how we can use these recursive functions within the code. What is the advantage of using the recursion? Okay, and there were base case and the recursive case for using this recursion property. Okay, so in this today's video lecture I'm going to take one more example to make you more understand about this recursion property. Alright, so let's move on to the code editor and we will code it. Alright, so if you know about the binary search, okay, so binary search is an efficient algorithm for finding an element in a sorted list or array. Alright, so if you know about the binary search, binary search used to find an element from the sorted list or array. Okay, so we will implement the binary search here using this recursion property. So what I have to do, let me define one binary search function, binary search, and with the required parameters array, low, high, and the target. Alright, let me write the base case here. If low greater high, if this is the case, I will be returning -1. So here I'm assuming you already know about the binary search algorithm, and I'm just trying to show you a way of implementing recursion property in binary search algorithm. Let me calculate the mid. Low plus high divided by 2. If array of mid equals to target, if this is the case, then it will be returning the index of the mid element. Elif array of mid less than target. Now here the case is if the mid element is less than the target. Okay, so what I have to do here, return binary search. Okay, so what I'm doing, I'm just calling the binary search function recursively here, and the required parameter is array mid plus 1 into the right side of the array and high and the target. Alright, if that is not the case, in that scenario I will return again binary search, because I'm calling it as recursively until it reaches to its a base case. Array low and mid -1 comma target. Alright, so in this function the base case is when low is greater than the high. This is the base case. Okay, if the middle element array of mid is equal to the target element, this is the condition, the function returns the index of the mid. Otherwise, if the middle element is less than the target, okay, the function calls itself with the argument mid plus 1 and high. Okay, otherwise if the middle element is greater than the target, the function calls itself with the argument low and mid -1. So you can see here how a binary search function gets called recursively multiple times within the scope of this code. So there are certain more ways to implement the binary search algorithms without recursion property, but I'm just explaining you the what is a recursive function. So I just implemented the binary search algorithm using this recursive property. Alright, so thank you so much guys for watching.